If You Give a Girl a Farmhouse, the modern version, by Liberty Brammer. If you give a girl a farmhouse, she'll ask you to fix it up. When you start working on the fixer-upper, she'll want everything to coordinate. She'll ask for new light fixtures. You'll install new light fixtures, and then she will see how dirty and worn out the flooring is. She'll ask to DIY a cool floor for a fraction of the cost. 20 million trips to the home improvement store later, she will decide that now she would like a fashionable rug to cover the new flooring. You'll give her a rug budget, and she will agonize for 32 hours which one to order. After you enjoy the new rugged floors for 2 days, then she will realize that the furniture looks tired. She will ponder how you can scrimp and save and afford a new Chase sectional with recliners. When you give in to the new sofa set, she'll want to have her friends over to sit in it. You'll agree to a date, but then it will occur to her that her friends may need to use the powder room when they visit. She will ask for some paint, and then she'll want a new vanity and probably a brand new toilet and a tiled shower too. After the bathroom has been updated, she will notice that to have an almost entirely brand new farmhouse, all you need to do now is modernize the kitchen. You'll hem and haw until you find yourself choosing cabinet colors to go with the new appliances and countertop. You'll want a drop-in sink, and she will love an old-fashioned apron sink. And chances are, if you get a girl an apron sink, you've given her a farmhouse to go with it. I'm Liberty Brammer, and I would love for you to visit me at Before and Afters and see our farmhouse named Century Farms.